One of the stories that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions, a part of it in the Qur'an, is the story of a powerful king during the days of the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. The king's name was Namrud, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed him with power, wealth, and authority. But instead of being grateful, he became proud and arrogant. He thought that he was greater than everyone, even greater than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And one day he told his people, I am your Lord, I give life and take it away. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to remind him of the truth. Then Ibrahim said to Namrud, my Lord is the one who gives life and causes death. But Namrud replied proudly and arrogantly, I can do that too. And he brought 2 prisoners. He killed one and he freed the other. And he said, see, I give life and take it away. Then Ibrahim alayhi salam said, Allah brings the sun from the east. If you're truly powerful, bring it from the west. And Nimrod got silenced. He couldn't answer. But arrogance always blinded his heart from admitting the truth. And instead of repenting, Nimrod became even more stubborn. He decided to build a huge tower, reaching the sky, saying, I'll go up and fight the Lord of Ibrahim. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent a strong wind that destroyed everything he built. And with every time, Nimrod was challenging Allah, and he never came to learn the lesson. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent to him one of the smallest creatures he has, a tiny mosquito that entered his nose, reached his head, and tormented him day and night. He couldn't sleep, couldn't eat, and couldn't rest. He began hitting his head and shouting to his servants, keep hitting my head, as he couldn't find rest but by hitting his head. The people watched in shock. The man who once claimed to be God was now destroyed by one of the smallest creatures of Allah, and that was the end of Namrud, the king who challenged Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. No matter how strong we think we are, we're still too limited compared to the power of our Creator. Subhanallah.